107 Burbank. This is a exploratory dig trench. This is to see what roots are to be found and if these trees will be affected due to the proposed construction. This trench has been dug at the proposed overdig line. So even though the new house may only go to here type thing, we've allowed for a 2 foot or 0.6 meter overdig as per the builder and the architect. So these trees are N1 to N8. The dig starts at the corner of the garage and we go towards the backyard. We are in the tree protection zones of trees N1 to N8 as per the arborist report and tree preservation plan that was prepared. The last tree here is N8, Apiaceae pungens, and the extent of its tree protection zone goes to 3.6 meters past the rear building line, which is the end of our trench. Couple bits of information that are pertinent to this dig. In reviewing aerial and historical satellite imagery, it appears this was farmland prior to around 1954 and 55, and at that point this area was prepared as a subdivision, with these houses being built from the late 50s to early 1960s. This dig is in between two buildings, and this ground has remained virtually untouched since it was built. What we found during the dig is there is approximately 10 centimeters of organic material in the very top, and then below that it is heavily compacted clay. All of the roots found are within the top 10 centimeters. All of them. There's nothing below that. So we've dug as deep as we can go in parts where there's no roots, such as this. However, where there's roots, we can't get any deeper. So we're going to do a measurement of the roots here. Also, one last thing to note, there was a previously removed eastern white cedar, Thuja occidentalis here. Some of those roots bisected this trench. We did remove those, so we were able to dig better and dig down deeper. So first root of significance from tree N2 is a 3 centimeter root, and a 2 centimeter root coming along. We have a 1 centimeter root from N2. These next roots are from tree N3. They are two centimeter and a 2 centimeter. Moving towards the rear of the house, from tree N3, we have a 2 centimeter root. Again, from tree N3, we have another 2 centimeter root. This is from tree N3, a 2 centimeter root. Now from tree N4, we have a 2 centimeter root. Majority of these other roots are 1 centimeter or less. We're not going to measure every single one. We have a 2 centimeter root here from tree N4. These elongated roots are from tree N5, measuring 1 centimeter in diameter. This is tree N5 over here, N5, N6, N7. the 1 centimeter root here from N5. Here we have a 4 centimeter root from tree N5. Moving along, a couple 1 centimeter roots. We have a 2 centimeter root from tree N5. N5, we have a 3 centimeter root. 2 at 1 centimeter. Moving along. This is from tree N6, a 1 centimeter. We're in between N5 on the left and N6 on the right. Moving towards the rear, we have a 3 centimeter diameter root coming from tree N7, I believe. Yeah. One centimeter root from tree N6. Appears to be 2 roots at 2 centimeters from tree N7. 1 centimeter from tree N7. Moving towards the rear, many hair-like roots. Here we have a 2 centimeter root from tree N7. And from tree N8, at a deeper depth, we have a 4 centimeter root. And a 3 centimeter root. 1 centimeter. We are coming directly in line with tree N8 here, Picea pungens. So a number of 1 centimeter roots. Here we have a 4 centimeter root. Four, 2.5, call it 3. Number of 1 centimeter diameter roots here. We'll check this one. 2 centimeters, 4 centimeters. That's where we are in proximity to tree N8. And moving along here, there's fine-like roots. These roots originate from other trees that are not part of this dig. Moving along. So we are still within the tree protection zone of tree N8, the 6 meter tree protection zone. However, all of these roots found here do not belong to tree N8, and this is the end of our trench at 3.6 meters past the rear building line. So the last root from tree N8 is at the rear building line. So just a quick recap. Nothing of significance past the rear building line. Within 2 meters towards the road from the rear building line, there are some structural roots from tree N8. Moving towards the road, it looks like everything is under 5 centimeters. Definitely there was smaller, finer roots associated with trees N1 to N4, which are smaller in size. And then trees N5, N6, and 7, which are larger in diameter. There are some larger roots found. And then, of course, tree N8. There's those roots there.